Reach high, aim high, and obtain. I'm going to show you a recipe that years ago my grandmother taught us, and it's delicious. And then I'm going to show you my new and improved approach. So it involves getting a date like this and having cream cheese, and it can be just the square cream cheese or cream cheese spread. It's just I had the cream cheese spread on hand, and this is by Organic Valley brand. I tend to like their products. And what you do is you cut the date in half and open it up so you get a little bit of a cavity, and then you take a little bit of cream cheese, put it in the middle, and eat this. Absolutely delicious. I love it. Okay. And I will definitely be eating a few of these. And then the other approach, which is my new approach, is again, I'm going to have this. However, instead of cream cheese, I'm going to do Reuteri, my version of Dr. William Davis's Reuteri. And I'm going to taste this. I'm going to see how this is. And I'm pretty confident this is going to be delicious. Ooh. It's like a fermented cheesecake. It's not as dense because obviously it's not a cream cheese. Oh my God, that was good. Oh God, that's good. I love these things. So, find out if you like it because it's absolutely delicious in my opinion. Another option that is a big favorite for me right now is to take equal portions of the cream cheese that's organic with my version of Dr. William Davis's yogurt. It provides a very balanced flavor when you do this approach. However, if you want to make a more fermented flavor, you want to then dominate that concoction with more of the my version of Dr. William Davis's yogurt. If you want a more sweeter flavor, then you'd want to dominate this concoction more with the cream cheese. Me personally, I like an equal balance between the two. And that's what you're seeing right here is where I'm doing that even balance between both the organic cream cheese and my version of Dr. William Davis's yogurt. You can see it comes together quite beautifully, and it's a very smooth, very rich consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It just has that really even smoothness of flavor, in my opinion, that I then take and again fill the dates with. Let's try this. I think it's gonna be delicious. Okay, here we go. This is the mix of the cream cheese and my version of Reuteri yogurt. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God, that's good.
Perfect. Well, we'll make some more.
Okay, now Dad, just so you know, this is your mom's improved recipe because I did a mixture of cream cheese and Reuteri to make the filling in the date.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Is it?
A little tart with sweet.
So is it good?
That's good.